Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up maximizing cash back on the Discover It card, complete guide step by step clearly. To maximize cash back on the Discover It card, first, check your card type and current rewards program. Log into your Discover account on their website or app. Next, review the current cash back categories for the quarter. Make a note of categories that offer 5% cash back. Consider the spending limits for the 5% categories, which typically max out at a certain amount each quarter. Identify your monthly spending habits. Align your spending with the categories that offer the highest rewards. For example, if groceries are a 5% category, plan to do your grocery shopping during that quarter. Next, remember to activate these 5% categories each quarter. Log into your Discover account at the beginning of the quarter to activate the bonus categories. If you have multiple credit cards, prioritize using the Discover It card for these 5% categories. For all other purchases, use your Discover It card to earn 1% cash back. Keep track of your cash back balance through your Discover account. Use the cashback rewards to pay your bill, or save them for future use. Be aware of special promotions or offers that Discover may run periodically. Consider referring friends to the Discover It card to earn referral bonuses. If you can, pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Lastly, review your cashback earnings regularly to adjust your spending and maximize rewards. By following these steps, you'll ensure you get the most out of your Discover It card cashback program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.